Okay, I did a short video earlier about how to do a strap that will fit like on your wrist. This is about a 12-inch piece of Velcro here with a loop on it, and you can put your wrist in it and pull this thing around and just attach it to that loop. Now, there's another thing that you can do where you just make a tag that fits on the Kenyon holder like this. And the way you make that is, first of all, you get a roll of this Velcro. It's really cheap. It's under $10 at Walmart or Home Depot or hardware store or Amazon. You cut a strap that's about 4 inches long. And you just take that piece and you add it to another piece that's about 4 inches long, and you staple them. You just put like the fuzzy sides together, you overlap it about 1 inch, and you just grab a stapler and you join them just like this. And then you want the scratchy side to fit on the outside so it doesn't go against your skin. You just go like that, and now you can take longer pieces to do like a back or shoulder or something like that. Just take these longer pieces, and the soft side will be against your skin. And this little tag on the end of this just makes it so much easier to adjust the position of everything.